Hey, what's up everyone? It's Greg back with another Teespring video today, and I have beta testing of a new feature on Teespring that I want to share with you guys because it's going to be released hopefully soon, but I want you to see what it's going to be like and that it's going to save us a ton of time. Now, what this feature is how to change the price and actually add different color items to live listings on Teespring. So currently, if you want to change the price on one of your listings on Teespring, you have to do one of two things. Either email campaigns@teespring.com with the URL of that campaign and the desired price you want to change it to, or you have to archive that campaign and create a whole new one, which is kind of a pain. But with this new feature, you're able to just easily go in and change things on the fly. You can change the price without creating a new one or emailing Teespring to make the change for you. So let me jump in the computer and show you what this feature looks like. Alright, so this is just an account that I was actually just putting together to start making some merch for this channel, which is going to be pretty cool. So I have a couple items here, and if you notice, this is the hustle poster that I created. I actually designed it by hand, and it's on the wall behind me in all of these videos. So I think that really represents my brand here on YouTube, and it's just that awesome hustle design. Nice and simple, but if you've been watching my videos, you know that means that you gotta put in the work to get the results. So with that being said, here's just the campaign right here. There's nothing you do from here, it's just a standard campaign, but when you're back on your dashboard here, this is actually where you can change things. So this edit icon right here used to just allow you to change the description, but now you can actually just click on this on any item, and it brings you back to the designer, which is pretty cool. So this didn't used to happen before. So once you're in here, you have the option again just to add in different colors and to change the prices right here. And just a quick note, for all the merch that I'm putting on this channel, it's going to be at like $1 profit. So it's not to make money, it's just to spread awareness. People who support me and like these videos, you can buy this stuff basically at cost. Now, once you're in here, you can change the colors, you can change the pricing, you can hit continue, and then you're back here where you can add in other products. So if you forgot to add something in, if you want to add in a hoodie, you want to add in whatever, you can do all that right here, just like if you were launching the campaign again. And then the last thing is you can change the title, description, and everything you have when you're launching the campaign. But real quickly, what I want to do is go back and show you this. On the first thing, I really wish we were able to customize the design more. So if we made it off center and we wanted to just change that, we would be able to just change this design here, but you can't add text, you can't add images, and you can't change the design. Maybe this is something that's going to come in the next phase of this launch of this new feature, but I really do hope that comes soon, because sometimes you honestly miss something. This is off center, or it's a little bit too big, or you want to change the color, something small. It would be nice to be able to just change that right here. So hopefully that's coming in the next phases, but I did want to show you this, and that's how you change the price, the colors it's printed on, and even adding other products, changing titles, descriptions, all that. So I know that's a quick video, but I just wanted to bring that to you because I have beta tested this and I really wanted to share it with you guys. I don't know how soon this is going to come out and be released publicly on all Teespring accounts, but hopefully soon. In the meantime, if you have to change the price or colors of an item, either archive it and create a new one or email campaigns@teespring.com. All right, guys, that's all I've got for you today. I wanted to get this out to you quickly. I'm working on a couple bigger projects for you guys, but in the meantime, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.